our channel. Today, we're diving into the first crucial step in creating a job grading system, defining the objective and scope. This foundational step ensures that your system aligns with your organization's needs and strategic goals. Let's get started. First, identify the purpose of your job grading system. Here are some common objectives you might consider. Ensure fair and equitable compensation. The goal here is to create a transparent and consistent framework for determining pay based on job responsibilities and requirements. This helps reduce pay disparities and improves employee satisfaction and retention. Facilitate career progression. Establish clear pathways for career advancement within your organization. This helps employees understand how they can progress and what is required for promotion. Standardize job evaluation. Implement a uniform method for assessing and comparing different jobs. This enhances consistency and fairness in job evaluations and classifications. Support organizational planning and budgeting. Provide a structured approach for workforce planning and salary budgeting. This aids in financial planning and ensures that compensation practices are sustainable. Next, define the scope of your job grading system. This includes determine which roles to include, decide whether to include all roles across the organization, or focus on specific departments, levels, or job families. You might consider starting with a pilot project in one department before expanding. Establish the levels of job grading. Decide how many grading levels or bands you will use, such as entry level, mid-level, and senior level. Define the criteria for each level, considering complexity, responsibility, and required qualifications. Align with organizational structure. Ensure the job grading system aligns with your current organizational hierarchy and reporting lines. Think about how the system will accommodate future changes in your organizational structure. Set the time frame for implementation. Define a clear timeline for developing, testing, and rolling out the job grading system. Include milestones and key deliverables to track progress. Engage key stakeholders early in the process. This includes HR, management, and employees. Conduct workshops or meetings to discuss the objectives and scope. It's crucial to gain buy-in and ensure diverse perspectives are considered. Also, develop a communication plan to explain the purpose and scope of the job grading system to the entire organization. Use clear and accessible language to ensure everyone understands the goals and benefits. Finally, document the objectives and scope. Write a detailed document outlining the purpose, the roles and levels covered, the alignment with organizational goals, and the implementation timeline. Present this document to senior leadership for approval and ensure they are committed to supporting the implementation and ongoing maintenance of the system. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to defining the objective and scope of your job grading system. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more HR tips and insights. Thanks for watching.